Alright boys, so we're here for the first in-person video I've ever made. Usually it's me sitting behind the desk because everything I've done for my business back home in Albuquerque, it's already done. Like I've already gotten out, done the in-person stuff, all the details like they get taken care of. But now that we're here in Cali, it gives me the opportunity to like show you what I do from the beginning. So in this video, we're gonna be going over to some dealerships, some office buildings, some auto shops, just introducing myself, the DK brand, the business, and creating some good relationships here in Ventura, because most of the in-person methods, right? It's what you go door knocking, you hand out flyers, you put business cards on people's cars. Really doesn't do shit. It's just a waste of time. There's no leverage with it. But the method we're about to be doing now, it's like there's actual leverage with it. You create the relationship once with the business and it can last for months, years, whatever it may be. So I'm gonna be going up to these businesses. I'm gonna be mic'd up so you can hear exactly what I'm saying, the approach I would take with it, how I go about it. This is pretty much the only method I'd recommend you guys doing for in-person marketing. Obviously, like not considering all the online stuff. So yeah, let's head over to the first place right now. The reason business cards, flyers don't work is because there's absolutely zero trust involved. All people are getting is a piece of paper with some letters and a number. There's nothing attached to it to validate it. The reason these methods work is because you're getting these businesses to refer you as essentially a trusted partner. And you think, what businesses would be willing to do that? Why would they do that for free? That's exactly what I'm about to show you guys right now. All right, so actually, boys, we're actually just gonna go into the dealership, and we actually like just realized that we don't even have like actual meta glasses, so we're actually just gonna go get some meta glasses right now for the boys, actually. So.
Yeah, I'm a marketing agency. Yeah, so we're located in Dallas right now, and we're working with 2 other car detailers. For those car detailers, we've been getting them 20 or 30 leads per month.
Go left.
Brand scalers are getting younger and younger by the day.
This kid's fucking 8 years old. Wow. Don't DK mobile off?
You can't say that.
The one that turned his... Oh, I thought you worked there. No, you don't. You're wearing those moves. Sorry.
Yeah, so like basically like here's my card. So like we do details and shit. Like
There's like a fucking big ass flashing light on the front.
Holy, that's retarded.
That's so funny.
I just need to talk to someone in the service center. Is it just through those doors here? All right, cool, thank you.
Are they all your vehicle?
One of them, yeah. Hey man, how's it going? No, you're good. Hey, how's it going? Do you guys have like someone who comes in and details the cars here?
Yeah, we don't do detailing.
Okay, you don't have like any to your customers? Any? Okay, cool.
No, we don't do. Only detailing done is the new cars that come in. We have the porters in the back.
Okay,
We
for
do
like
those
new.
in the used cars, selling them, but we don't do any for customers.
Okay, cool. Because we're expanding. I run a detailing business in Albuquerque, New Mexico, but we're expanding down to Ventura. So I just want to go through like some of the dealerships, introduce myself, and
Your mobile, yeah.
yeah, drop off some cards and whatnot for clients looking for mobile services. So
I'll take a few. I mean,
yeah, for sure.
we have people ask.
Absolutely. So what's your name, by the way?
Jason.
Jason. My name's Diego.
Diego.
Nice to meet you.
Diego.
Yeah, so all the information's on there, our website, number, all that sort of stuff. So
Perfect. Yeah. I mean, like I said, we don't offer it here.
Okay.
But, when people ask, I can do that.
sweet, that'd be amazing.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Have a good one.
Hello, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Do you guys have a detailer that comes in and like takes care of the service vehicles?
We do them here.
You do them here in house. Do you guys offer like mobile services to your clients at home, stuff like that?
No, we don't.
No. Okay. Well, in the chance that like someone happens to ask about a mobile detailer or not, whatnot, yeah, that'd be amazing. My name is Diego, by the way. So we're just expanding to Ventura. We actually have a location in New Mexico. So yeah, just wanted to come by and introduce myself. Nice to meet you as well. What's your name?
Nicole.
Nicole. Nice to meet you. All right. Thank you so much. You too.
Chris?
Hey,
What's going on?
hey, how you doing?
Good.
Do you guys offer detailing services to your clients here?
No. Check in with Jaime right over here, the driveway manager.
Okay, sweet, thank you.
Hey, how are you?
Doing good, how are you?
Good, what can we do for you?
Jaime?
Yes.
Diego, nice to meet you.
How are you?
I was just curious if you guys offer detailing services here at the dealership.
We have our own, you know.
You have your own? Okay, do you guys like service at home or for your
Oh, like
clients?
us? Or, well,
Like mobile services?
we don't have a mobile service.
Okay. Well, if you guys like have anyone who ever is curious or asks about mobile services, just want to like drop and swing by and
Oh, yeah.
leave some
'Cause
cards.
people do ask, and we don't really have anybody.
Okay, sweet. That'd be amazing.
Cool. Did
Yeah.
you just start? You've been doing it for a little bit.
We're actually expanding from New Mexico. So,
Oh, wow. That's
yeah,
cool.
yeah. So
That's awesome.
new
Cool.
branch here, but
Well, that works. There's tons of people here, so it'll work
amazing.
out. Yeah,
Great.
pleasure meeting you.
of course you as well. Thank you. One thing I want to make quick note of is if you can notice, I'm going into the service center instead of going to like the showroom. The reason I'm doing that is because like all the sales guys, they don't give a shit. Like all they're trying to do is sell cars. They're just going to see you as like wasting their time. They're most likely just going to forget the whole interaction, throw away anything you give them. People in the service center actually have time to talk to you and actually care more about what you have to say. So when you're doing this, going to dealerships, always go to the service center first. As you can see, not a single person has said no to whatever I have to offer, them handing out cards, giving us referrals, whatever it might be, because yeah, they're always just down to help. Hey man, how's it going?
Good.
Diego.
Dylan.
Nice to meet you. Is that your truck, man?
Yeah, it is.
That's sweet. Did you just pick that up?
Yeah.
So I'm actually expanding my detailing business to Ventura from New Mexico.
Okay.
So the truck just caught my attention. I thought I'd drop by and
Okay,
like
perfect.
leave some cards. I don't know if you have someone who, you know, takes care of like the office or whatever. So just wanted to
Okay.
leave some cards with you if
Okay.
you're like ever needing a detail. Because yeah, we could do it like here at your office, home, just wherever you're at. So,
Okay. And Ventura? Or...
Yeah, all Ventura County.
Okay.
So yeah,
Sweet, man.
thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good one, man.
Take care.
You too. All right, boys, when you walk into these places, you gotta walk in like you fucking own the John. Don't ever ask permission from anyone. Like, should you even go back here? Should customers go back here? I mean, I don't know, but we're going straight to the mechanics, straight to the source. Hey man, how's it going? Do you guys offer detailing services here?
You'd have to talk to the guys over there. I'm not too sure.
Like up at the front at the dealership?
Yeah.
Okay, but like not
Sir.
that you know of when they come in here. And...
Oh, not that I know.
Okay. Actually, I want to talk to someone in service. Actually, just like drop off some cards.
If you go through this, see that last door over there?
On the right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you go in through there, you'll see Efren and Frank.
Efren and Frank.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Not me. Not me.
Excuse me. Are you Efren or Frank?
I am.
Efren.
Can I help you out with it?
Yes, my name is Diego. Run a detailing business in New Mexico, and we're just expanding to Ventura.
right
So I was talking to one of the service guys in the back. He said to come in and drop off some cards for you.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
I'm gonna split them in half.
Yeah, for sure.
One for me and one for Frank, which is the other writer.
Okay.
Because we technically don't do details, so I could give these out to my customers
Sweet. Yeah.
and go from there.
That'd be amazing.
All right.
Alrighty.
And you're you're mobile.
Yes, we're mobile. But yeah, I don't know, like
DK.
after services or anything, if you even have someone like clean up the cars, we could possibly.
We have just our services. We do like outside wash and vacuum. That's it, right?
Gotcha.
We got guys there, but they ask us about details all the time.
Sweet. Okay.
So I'll just hand your cards out. Go
That'd be
from there.
amazing. All right. Thank you so much.
I'll let them know. Okay.
Cool. Thank you.
sir.
Of course. Thank you. Okay.
Detail service.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, we're always looking for something.
Diego.
Frank,
Nice to meet you. Cool.
I told them we technically don't really sell them, but
Yeah.
we'll go from there.
Cool. Thank you
Nice
guys.
meeting you, man.
Nice meeting you guys as well. Have a good one.
Thanks, man.
Hey guys, as you can see there, this is a super simple method that literally any of you could do tomorrow, right? It's 25 bucks for 500 cards at Staples. Just take a few hours out of your day to drive around, go to these businesses and create the relationship. I've been expecting some crazy sauce here, but it's really not that deep. You just going in there and you being able to give these dealerships, these mechanics, any automotive business the opportunity to refer you has a ton of value in itself. As you can see, I only went to about 4 dealerships and not a single one offered at-home services, obviously, right? So guess what happens when a client walks in asking about detailing services? All they could say is no until they have a trusted business that they could actually refer. Is this going to blow up your business overnight in a week? No, but it's something that compounds over time. The more people they have ask about detailing, the more cars they're going to hand out, which means the more jobs you get. And then when those people who book your services come back to the dealership talking about how good your services are, guess what? The dealership is only going to want to push your business more and more. And again, in this video, I only went to a few places. Imagine doing this at 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Like there's literally hundreds of businesses in each and every one of your markets that you can do this. Imagine you did it in every single one. I know there's probably less than 5% of detailers in your market are willing to do this. Probably even less, right? Most are lazy as shit. They're scared to talk to people. So if you're that one in your market who goes out and does this, that amount of referrals, that amount of brand awareness, think about what that would do for you and your business. What did that cost you, right? Maybe $100 in business cards and time, just going out and doing it. So please take advantage of stuff like this because again, like I said, very few people are willing to do this. This is a method I've been talking about for a long time on Instagram. A lot of people asking about it. So I finally had the opportunity to go out in a fresh new market, with fresh new people, show you exactly how I'd pitch this. So I hope this video was helpful and inspired you guys to go up and get off your ass and go create some real relationships in your market, because I'm telling you, this is probably one of the most valuable things you could do for your business and brand. Running ads, building a website, posting on social media, those are all one thing, but nothing really can compare to going out in public, shaking people's hands and creating those real relationships. This is going to kind of be a mini series as we're expanding the brand out here in California. Yeah, because I get the opportunity again to show you guys how I do it from the ground up. And I think in the next part, I'm going to be showing you guys more of the online side of things. So what I'm doing with my website, my Google business profiles, with ads, all that sort of thing to really hit the ground running in this new market. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos in the series. And then of course, I'll be posting the regular videos you've been seeing. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.